The following video is an EWAG RS2 radius and tangent grinder. Serial number 266026. The grinding wheel is on. Oscillation. The coolant pump. You can do the coolant pump one more time to ensure it works. It's the motor of the coolant unit. We have no coolant. That's your power oscillation. Your manual adjustment. You slide in and out. Okay. Okay. Now we have a motorized workhead that we connected separately. That is currently wired. It's just not mounted on the unit. That's your power workhead, and here are your other two attachments that come with the machine as well. Coolant tank slides into the bottom of the base of the machine. It's oscillation again. And this handles how you vary the size of the oscillation. Wheel slowing down. The back side of the unit. This is where the workhead plugs into. I have coolant built into the base. Again, the following video is an EWAG RS2 radius and tangent grinder. Serial number 266026.